how to reset Pinterest home feed recommendations. So if you want to reset Pinterest home feed recommendations, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Pinterest application. After opening a Pinterest, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. Now from your profile, you need to just simply go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and go with settings, or just simply go with the gear shaped icon and it will take you to your account settings. Now what you need to do is you will have an option of refine your recommendations. Tap on that option and here you may have pins. So in my case, I have a pin right here. You can just simply tap on the pin and tap on remove. Just simply tap on it, go with the three dots which will be in the right side, and then tap on edit pin. And here you need to tap on delete this pin and then tap on delete. After deleting, you can go with another pin that you don't like or that you want to remove from your recommendations. You can just simply tap on it and then tap on remove. And after removing a few pins, you can just simply refresh your page. And after refreshing, it will reset your Pinterest home feed recommendations. You can go with your home screen, refresh your feed, which will be in the top, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.